Hello everyone, I'm Said. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a game in console application. Console application? Gaming? Yes, we can create some kind of gaming with console application. Maybe you say gaming application needs lots of graphical stuff, but console application is just a black screen. Yeah, right, that's correct. But still, we can create some magic to do in the gaming stuff. As a backend developer, because most of the time we are dealing with kind of black screen, why not? Maybe we can create some interesting games with the console application and just play with it, right? I have one simple application here, a console application. But first of all, I want to run the project to see what kind of gaming we are doing here. So if I run the project, you can see nice. There is a man that running and needs to jump from each hurdle, right? I think you already see lots of other applications that doing this kind of jumping. But when you see that we are doing it with the console application, I was surprised first time when I see this kind of gaming here. And honestly, I play with it. Why not? This is our C# language. This is the console application and easy, right? Here it's the game for jumping on the hurdle. So if you hit this hurdle, you will game over. Okay. So for example, here I already game over. Okay. But let's see what we have here in the code. First of all, this one is less than 240 lines. Maybe you thought that, okay, this is very complex application. I need to handle a lot of business logic or the other stuff. Yes, that's correct. Maybe in real gaming application, they have to handle lots of logic to, different steps of the application. But here we are doing some simple stuff. When you are talking about the console application or gaming, you need to have some steps or screens for each step. So for example, here we have some running animation or jumping animation. So what is this? It's kind of for each step, you have a screenshot, let me say like that. So you are trying just to print each screenshot on that console application by infinite loop. So you're running on that console application just like that and just printing this kind of, for this man, it's trying to run or walking, whatever you call, and it's different state of that one, right? Easy. When you see this one, you realize that, oh, okay, maybe it's not that complex to write. And also this is the whole steps. And also for the jumping, when you are hitting the up arrow on the keyboard, it's trying to actually simulate the jump situation. So you see that this is the second one, third one, and it's really nice actually. Okay, and here if the code, you can see this is the position and it kind of infinite. Position is the first one that that man is that position, and it's trying to go and increase the position of the man in the game. Okay, so apart from this condition, when you are pressing some key, is trying to do some kind of simple conditions here. Okay, and then at the end it wait for the 8 millisecond and then next step. So for example, if I put it as a 800 millisecond, let's see what happened. It should go very slowly and you can see what kind of steps it tried to print on the console application. Okay, you can see the running state is very slow, but here is the each state of that list of the running animation. You can see this one, this one, this one, and if I press the up key. You can see that it's really nice, actually. I like it. Right? That's it. The hurdle itself is another string here that we can see it, hurdle frame. Yeah, just print this kind of frame on the hurdle. So actually for the gaming, you're trying with each frame 60 frame per second or 30 frame per second based on the graphic card. But this code, actually, I didn't write it, honestly. So this is one of the game that contains in this repository. That's really nice. It's .NET Console Games, which is part of the .NET repository. So it's maintained by the .NET team. And you can see lots of more games here as well. This is the list of the games here. You can play online with each of them. And actually, I cloned the repository here. You can see lots of repo and lots of project, the games, different things. It's quite interesting to check the code in this kind of repositories. Another interesting games that I want to show you is Pac-Man. So if I put it here, run the Pac-Man project, this is for sure most of you, I think you play with this game. You're trying to eating this point here and getting more score, right? So let's start a little gaming here. You can see the colorful, they are trying to eat you and you need to run from them. Okay, that's really nice. When you see this, they are actually designing the console application and trying to see how it possible. Maybe at first glance, actually, if someone at first glance see this graphic or this colorful lines in the console application, they say, oh, okay, no one can implement such a this thing. But it's possible, everything possible. So I just wanted to show you how we can create games with console application. I find it very interesting for many developers for C# application. And I wanted to say, okay, just try it. I mean, you can go for this repository, clone the project and see how they are doing or how they are handling this project, this gaming for running the game in the console application. That's it. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Bye.